This activity is called application of force. What this one is going to teach you is that structures can react differently depending on how and where the force is applied. For this one, V2 and ESL versions are available, so ask Ms. Lambier, and you must wear safety goggles. Inside, you'll get the activity sheet and something to read. The blue sheet will give you information on 3 terms: point of application of force, plane of application of force, and magnitude of force. Once you've read that, you enter those terms in your glossary. Then you're going to set up the equipment as shown. So this is called a retort stand, and here's a wrecking ball. And what we're going to do is create a wrecking ball that will knock over a tower. We're going to have it hit in different ways and see what happens. Now for this, there's a few safety rules. One, you have to wear safety goggles so you don't get hit in the eye by the ball. If the ball falls off the tape, that could be an injury for someone's ankle, so please pick it up right away. And ensure no one is in line with the ball when you release it. So if your partner is about to release the ball and someone else is over here fixing, you don't want to release it when their face is right here. So please make sure you have a signal. I'm about to release. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so that everyone is clear. Now, you want to make this a fair test. What you're going to investigate first is point of application of force. So you're going to hit the tower high, middle, and low and see which one is more impactful. To make it a fair test, you have to keep some variables exactly the same. What do you think those variables are? I'll give you some ideas. You probably want to keep the wall the same, so you can decide how you're going to build it. It doesn't have to be what I'm building, but I'm going to make it a 3 block wide structure. You could do something different, but keep it fairly simple. And I'm going to put it right up against the edge of the retort stand. You want this distance to be consistent, the height of the structure, and the way you built it to always be consistent. First, I'm going to hit it high, so I'm going to have to adjust my string here so that the ball is a little higher. Oops. Maybe I'll just close this. Oh, that's not going to hit. There we go. Okay, so what I would do is pull it back to a consistent height. I'm going to make mine parallel to the floor here and release it. 3, 2, 1, go. And then I record my observations. So I could talk about how far this block traveled and that only the middle block was actually released. Next, I'm going to do a middle. So I find a middle spot. I have to reset up my tower. Release again, hit it in the middle, and then I'm going to probably have to untie this and make my ball really low and hit it as low as I can. Okay, the next experiment is called magnitude of force. So I'm going to use a heavy ball and a light ball. So for this one, you'll have to use one ball to start and then tape a different ball on. There's another bigger ball, a heavier ball inside the bucket here. And then the last one is plane of application of force. For this one, you're going to hit straight on versus an angle. So here's what straight on looks like. And here's what it would be coming in at an angle. Okay? So you'll do an experiment related to the angle that it's being hit at. That's it.